Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on why do I feel physical discomfort while meditating? Physical discomfort, such as pain in the back, hips, knees, or neck, is common for beginners. It often arises because sitting for long periods uses muscles that may not be well developed, especially if you're accustomed to sedentary positions like slouching in chairs or being hunched over a screen. Over time, consistent practice strengthens these stabilizing muscles, reducing discomfort. When I first started meditating, I experienced discomfort just trying to sit in the simplest positions. As my practice increased, I found that I gained more comfort. When I got more serious about meditation and decided to attempt some of the intermediate and advanced meditation sitting postures, I found discomfort again. So first thing I would say is, when you are beginning, find a position that is most comfortable for you. If you are comfortable sitting cross-legged, sit cross-legged. This is Sukhasana, easy pose. This posture is very common. It's easy for quite a number of people to do, hence the name easy pose. But it may not be easy if you sit in it for a long duration of time. So by all means, use your own judgment at what is comfortable for you. I find it extremely difficult to meditate when I am uncomfortable. So that is one option. If Sukhasana is the easy pose, sitting cross-legged, is too uncomfortable to sit for 1 to 5 minutes at a time, I would recommend a chair with a flat surface or a flat seat to sit on. This would help to alleviate some of the issues with being uncomfortable. If you insist on sitting cross-legged or are interested in other more advanced meditation postures, you will definitely need to open up your hips. This will allow you to sit more comfortably in these types of postures. Keeping the time frame short is going to be your friend early on. Meditating is about concentration. So if you are more focused on the look of how you are sitting as opposed to the feel, you can find yourself uncomfortable most of the time. So I would recommend finding a comfortable posture, and if you want to develop your seated postures, slowly work into opening your hips. And I would also recommend postures for the lower back. At this time, let's bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils and observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we inhale and we exhale. And let's follow the breath as we inhale and it goes down the esophagus, filling up the lungs. Let's put air into the lower lobes of the lungs, filling up the abdomen and the navel region. And as we exhale, the abdomen and navel region contracts as the air is forced out of the lungs, up the esophagus, and back out through the nostrils, keeping our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils. Namaste.